Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete files from Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete files from a Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, you land on this interface. Now in order to proceed to delete files on your Terabox, guys, first you'll be required to choose the type of files which you want to delete. Either is it the documents or is it the APK files which you had uploaded on Terabox or zip files. So you can see, guys, in order to proceed, just below the search bar there is the documents option available for us, or icon available for us. If you want to delete your documental files, then tap on the documents, and all of the documents which you had uploaded on your Terabox app will be over here. Or if you want to delete your zip files, you can see the more button at the right side of the documents over here, just below the search bar. Tap on more button, and you can see there is the applicational files and zip files over here, also available for us also. But in order to proceed to delete these files, the process is same. So let's go back to the documents, and in order to delete your files from Terabox, tap and hold on the file which you want to delete, and the moment tick mark appears at the right side of that option, you can see the menu available for us at the bottom of the screen, with the delete button available for us at the bottom middle section. So you can do it for any number of files which you want to delete. You can see, just tap on the selected file which you want to delete. After tapping, and the blue icon at the right side, or the blue tick mark at the right side appears, the delete menu will be available for us. So let's do that again. Let's tap and hold on it, and when the delete appears, or this menu appears at the bottom of the screen, tap on delete, and again tap on the delete button over here. And after that file will be sent to the recycle bin on your Terabox app, and after 10 days that file will be deleted permanently. So that being said, guys, tap on delete and that file will be deleted from your Terabox app. And guys, this is how to delete files from Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.